Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to find the section Sound and Vibration. Now let's scroll down to find the ringtones, simply tap on it, and as you can see here we can choose which ringtone we want to set. So for the first or the second SIM card we can divide the ringtones between them, which is quite cool in my personal opinion. So let me show you how to do it on maybe on the first SIM card, it does not really matter. Just tap on it, and as you can see we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, we can tap on music, and basically here you will have the files from your own internal storage. So for example, if you've got something download, it will appear right there. So let me choose something from those options, and also at the very top of this list we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it your device will never use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so in order to check the particular ringtone, simply tap on it, just like this one, and you can check how it will sound. The same situation here. Basically you can check all of them, and if you finally decide which one you like, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.